Hello, these are the sentence stems for those who want them up front. 1. Ha's mother has responded to economic pressure by. 2. One of the themes of give book title might be that when people are in trouble, they should. You may choose to write about Inside Out and Back Again or a choice book. Welcome back. If you like to hear directions, please watch the video. How are you? Take 3 breaths, in with the good, out with the bad. Where are you on the compass? Ignite. Remember Ha? Click on this picture of the cover to get to the book if you need it. Chunk. What is theme? The moral of the story or main message. Here are some theme examples. People should face hardship with hard work. Don't give up. Keep trying. Ambition. One needs ambition in order to succeed. Hard work can bring a great reward. We grow small trying to be great. Goals are dreams we convert to plans and take action to fulfill, like Ha's mother. Watch the video for an example. A common theme is be brave. There are lots of leaves and flowers symbolize growth and love. Chew on it. How does Ha's mother respond to needing money or economic pressure? For hints, look at the text. How does Ha's mother do? What does Ha's mother do? March 10, Mother's Days. On weekdays, Mother's a secretary in a Navy office. Trusted to count out salaries in cash at the end of each month. At night, she stays up late designing and cutting baby clothes to give to seamstresses. A few years ago, she made enough money to consider buying a car. On weekends, she takes me to market stalls, dropping off the clothes and trying to collect on last week's goods. Hardly anyone buys anymore, she says. People can barely afford food. Still, she continues to try. Review. What does the author want us to learn from Ha and her family? What is a theme, moral of the story, main message, and Inside Out and Back Again? Ha's mother has responded to economic pressure by. One of the themes of might be that when people are in trouble, they should. You may choose to write about Inside Out and Back Again or a choice book. Thank you, writers, Dr. Stacker. 4. All questions answered with well-thought-out ideas presented in full sentences that make sense. 3. All questions answered with developed ideas in full sentences. 2. All questions answered, not always researched well. 1. All questions answered, but the answers do not work with the text. Remember to check your evidence, which equals the text quote. 0. No attempt. Please attempt. You can learn anything. And this is the Common Core goal. Determine 2 or more essential ideas in a text and analyze their development over the course of the text. Provide an objective summary of the text. P.S. Please remember that if you have time, read 20 plus pages in a choice book, at least 5 to 10 pages if you can't do 20. If you have questions, please email me, jacqueline.stocker@spps.org. Thank you. Oh, here's the answer I came up with. Ha's mother has responded to economic pressure by working a lot and making money. 2, one of the themes of Inside Out and Back Again might be that when people are in trouble, they should work really hard so they are ready when opportunities come up. Like when Ha studies English a lot and uses English in the U.S. Thank you. Hi, Munchkin. You want to say hi? Yeah, look at the camera. Bye, students.